Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Brandon with BR Services, the gate guy. Just on a new install today. We're going to be putting in a automatic slide gate. It's going to be solar using the Viking K2 slide gate solar option. Very good operator. It's residential. Doesn't get a whole lot of use. Smaller gate. It's about 15 feet long. Roughly almost 5 foot tall, so perfect deal. This one's a little bit different, so I just want to kind of show you a different option for doing a slide gate, more specifically for doing a rear track for a slide gate. We got kind of an elevation drop, and it's one of the main, I guess you would call it, watershed. You know, if they get rain, it's a low spot where all the water runs out to the street, and I think it's like a 10.5-inch drop. So what I don't want to do is build up the whole rear of the gate, you know, with a 10-inch footing above grade and not have any drainage. So we're going to do a post mount track on the rear side, and that'll kind of alleviate that problem and still hold the gate up. Done it a couple of times on some commercial jobs, so I know it'll work. This one's obviously residential, a lot lighter of a gate, so not a big deal. But anyway, let me kind of show you what we got going on.
So here's the entryway. Basically where this chain link and terminal post is where our roller guide's going to go for the slide gate. It's about a 15-foot wide driveway to the end of the asphalt, so we'll have a receiver catch post right there. And this is what I'm talking about, is this drops, and it goes right into this like power substation area. So what I don't want is, you know, building this track up level all the way back and then have the water come down and have to like go around it and then flood their area back here. So we're going to kind of keep the way the drainage is just by putting in some 2-inch posts, going to be galvanized, and welding the track to the top of the rear side. So operator pad will go right in this area. We will do a standard 1x1 concrete slab going across. We'll use a bolt down track. I like bolt down tracks better than embedding them into the concrete. I notice if you embed them, you know, you use rebar, J-bolts, all kinds of different things to do. One thing is it's kind of a speed bump, you know, because we like to use like 1.5 or 2-inch angles, so no matter what, you hit it with your tires and you're just boom boom. So we use a one-piece rolled galvanized track, pre-drilled holes in it, and that way also we can, you know, if our line measurements aren't perfect, we can kind of fudge that track over 1 inch. You won't really tell by looking at it because it's on the ground, and we can get nice and straight. So that's kind of what's going on with the track. Here's just another look of kind of how it dives back. And I know it's probably kind of hard to see, but we do have quite a, here's my truck, quite a bit of a, you know, uphill right here. Good thing is it's actually pretty dead on level across the driveway. So it's only right where we hit this post and we go back this way, where the gate slides in the open position is where we have that issue where it's got that 10-inch drop. So anyway, we're gonna have kind of a standard gooseneck post right there. Put that about 20 feet or so back from the gate here, and keypad, knock switch. You do have to have knock switch. I don't know about in your areas, but out here, you know, knock switch is required for fire department access. Used to do the fireboxes and padlocks. You're kind of grandfathered in if you already have one, but you know, Cal Fire definitely wants to be able to just hop out of their truck with their key, turn a switch, open the gate. So you know, if anybody we need to get in here, it's those guys. So that's something we have to put in. Looking on the back side, coming up here, probably about where my truck is. We're going to trench back. Got some conduit here and put in just an exit probe. He had this driveway done, so I really don't want to cut and do loops in here. Again, he's got a nice long driveway, so an exit probe will work fine. Put it on this side of the driveway where my truck's sitting. This is all open field, so any work, landscaping, tractor work, most of the time is not going to activate it. Although I just let my customers know that's a possibility because they are sensitive, unlike a loop where you got to be sitting on top. Exit probe kind of distributes the signal on both sides of the probe. So rather than just going on one side of the driveway or a loop, how it just kind of creates that magnetic field upward, the probe does go about 8 feet to the left and right, which means basically anything on this side driving a tractor down is going to activate it as well. So I just let them know that. Let them know, hey, you're doing a bunch of work down here, just lock the gate open. We give them a hold open code, so that's usually not a problem. That way it's just not opening, closing, because it's getting activated. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be setting the post today. The roller post and everything, getting the conduit in the ground. And we are doing a pipe stand. Viking has a really cool pipe stand. I used to custom make my own, and that works fine too, but I like those guys' pipe stand better because I can just throw the operant, bolt it up, and I'm done. They got some cool knockouts on the bottom too for conduit runs. Make it nice and tidy, holding everything in place. We definitely do the concrete pads, but situations like this, I like the stands because I can get my elevation perfect. I don't know exactly where that track's going to end up as far as height goes. I have a pretty good idea, but I always like to wait till the track's in, then I can just do my stand and go from there. So yeah, anyway, if you like the video, like, subscribe. Otherwise I will tune back in and give you guys updates. All right, bye.